How to fix Windows 11 black screen issues. This video covers all of the fixes for the common Windows 11 black screen glitch that have been tested and proven to work. Here are some proven solutions for fixing the black screen Windows 11 bug. Work through them in the order presented as they're listed from fastest and easiest to more time-consuming and advanced. Turn the monitor on. If you use an external monitor, don't forget to switch it on. You may also need to check that it's plugged into a power source. Inspect the ports and cables. Turn your computer off and carefully inspect the monitor's connecting cable to make sure that it's firmly plugged in. You may also want to inspect the cable itself to see if it's been damaged or is experiencing wear and tear. Check for graphics card compatibility. If you get a black screen only when using a certain app or video game, it's likely that your graphics card simply isn't supported for this one specific task. Disconnect all devices and restart again. Unplug all devices that are physically connected to your Windows 11 computer and turn off those that are connecting wirelessly. Once done, perform a basic restart. Restart the video driver. Use the Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B keyboard shortcut to restart the video drivers and quickly fix the black screen problem on your Windows 11 device. Charge your Windows 11 device. Perform a complete shutdown of your Windows 11 computer, plug it into a power source, and leave to charge for an entire day. Clean your computer. A buildup of dust and grime could be causing the screen to overheat and turn off prematurely. Hold down the power button for 30 seconds to turn off your device. Press the power button again to turn on your device. On the first sign that Windows has started, for example, some devices show the manufacturer's logo when restarting, hold down the power button for 30 seconds to turn off your device. Press the power button again to turn on your device. When Windows restarts, hold down the power button for 30 seconds to turn off your device. Press the power button again to turn on your device. Start Windows 11 in safe mode. If possible, try rebooting your device in Windows Safe Mode. If this bypasses the black screen issue, it's likely that your screen or monitor is fine and that a software or driver problem is causing the glitch. Connect external speaker or headphones. If your Windows 11 device is showing a black screen and you're unsure if it's even turning on properly, check headphones and speakers that you've previously connected to it, for example, will confirm that they're connected to your computer with a tone or voice message. Update Windows 11. If you can see your device's content on another screen, perform a basic Windows update. Perform a system restore. If you suspect that a recent change that you made to your Windows 11 device is behind the black screen problem, roll everything back to a restore point where everything worked properly. Perform Windows troubleshooters and run a diagnostic. This can be a very effective way of detecting problems with both Windows hardware and software.